Who did that? Don't look up there. I'm talking to y'all.
Did you?
Have a good day? Come here, you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Come here, Missy, did you have a good day? Huh? Did you have a good day? Daddy loves you. You have a good day? But who tore my pants up, though? Oh, y'all don't want to talk about that? Y'all don't want to talk about that?
Look at it. Look at it.
You do that? Huh? Who was it?
What did you do to this poor baby? Sadie, what did you do?
What did you do,
Sadie,
you
come
bad
on.
girl?
Hey, what happened here?
Who
what
did
happened
it?
here?
Who
What happened?
did it? Who did it? Who's the bad girl? Who's the bad girl?
Cooper, did you eat all of your treats? Cooper,
Did you eat my shoe? Katie? Did you do this? Who did this?
Katie doesn't. No.
Katie knows
I think it was Katie.
knows what she did.
Monroe? Did you eat my shoe? Hey, excuse me. Did you do this? Or was it your sister? Did you do this? Who did this?
Were you a naughty boy? Were you naughty?
Who ate that one? Did you eat that one? Is that you? Who ate the controller?
Did you do that? Abby? Did you do this? Abby?
are you sorry? Do you think it's funny?
Did you do this? Oh, he's not gonna do it. Bummer. Did you do this?
Oh, can I help you?
Are you fresh?
What did you do? What did you do?
Are you bad? Are you bad? Buck, were you bad?
Did you make a mess, Marshall? Marshall, did you make a mess? What's all this? What is this? You're gonna pretend you don't see it now?
Libby, what is this? Come here. Libby, come. Libby, come. What is this? Libby. Who's a good boy? Huh? Hey. What's that? You were so happy a minute ago.
Hey, what are you doing? Did you eat these?
What happened?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this? Who did this?
Did you eat my card? Huh? Hey. You did eat my card.
You wanna lick my bowl? You wanna lick my bowl? Say please. Good girl.
Look. Did you?
What is this? Come here. Which one? Was it you, BB? Or was it you, April?
Hey, Axel. Did you do this? Axel. Oh. Did you?
Huh? What's wrong with Mom's teeth? Huh? What'd you do?
Any crumbs. So, who did it? Major, Gracie,